to show you how easy it is to make flour tortillas at home, and I'm also going to show you how to use this press so that you can get in and out of the kitchen in no time. Let's start by adding 2 1/4 cup of flour to our mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of lard, and you just want to combine it into your flour until you achieve something that looks like a crumble. Once you achieve this beautiful crumble, kind of like sand, then we're ready to add our water. Usually the temperature in the water that I use is 90 degrees, but these are quick tortillas. These are going to be done so fast. So anything hotter than about 160 is going to do the trick. And you have to be really careful because I don't want you guys to burn your hands. So that's 1 cup of really hot water. Oh, that is hot. So just cover it like this. Just like that. Once you add the warm water to your flour, you're going to notice that once you're creating your masa, it's extra sticky. So if you don't like the sticky textures, beware, but that only lasts a little bit. You'll see once you start kneading your dough, it just gets smoothly really quickly. So once the hot water starts absorbing into your dough, it's cooked. It starts cooking it. So it's really soft. It's not going to stick as much. You just got a little bit of sticking. And for that, you're just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. Just slightly, maybe 1 tablespoon. And then you're gonna knead for about 1.5 minutes too. And go ahead, just give it an extra loving knead. You're just gonna make your little bolitas, your little balls, just like that. And then you're just gonna start rolling your masa balls. Then I take a little bit of lard, warm it up in my hands. Tap, tap, tap to avoid drying. And then you're just gonna cover them to avoid your masa balls from drying. We don't have to let them rest. All we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for our tortilla press to warm up. And by that time, we're just gonna get started on our tortillas. Place your tortilla about 3 inches from there. Remember, your tortilla press is hot, so you can use your oven mitt or a kitchen towel. And then you're gonna press down for a good 8 to 10 seconds. Don't be counting really fast to 10. It's slow ones, okay? It's nice, slow, romantic seconds. There you have it. A beautiful, perfect tortilla. See, they're just like the ones you buy at the store. Then you just want to place it on your cast iron for best flavor or your pan. And boom, done. A beautiful stack of tortillas. I'm gonna leave the measurements for 1 dozen and 2 dozen tortillas. You are not gonna mess this up. These tortillas are beautiful. They're a little bit different than the traditional way that I make tortillas, but you can't skip a beat on this one.